Hi guys, today we've got this curly messy updo and we're going to show you how to do it using just 2 ponytails. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm just working with some very loose curls that I've prepped with a texture spray. I'll pop the spray I'm using in the description below for you. Next, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear and pop that top section into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop. Make sure that your end sections are sticking out towards the left hand side and just clip these on top of the head for now. Then create one more ponytail, make sure it's quite loose, and we're going to pop our thumb and finger through the loop at the top, pass the ponytail underneath to your fingers and pull it up and all the way through that loop, making sure that your ends fall to the right hand side. Then we're just going to grab hold of that top and bottom of the loop and just spread it out a little bit. And then taking the loop, I'm going to take sections one above the other on each side and pull them apart to give it lovely messy texture. So work from the top all the way down to the bottom of that loop. Now hold the top of the loop to the head and pin in place. And then also pin the bottom of the loop to the head using a couple of bobby pins. Push this messy bun towards the head and pin it down the length of the right hand side and repeat on the left hand side. Use as many bobby pins as needed. Now release those left hand sections down and all I'm going to do is twist this towards the bun, pinch and pull it for a bit more texture and then just pin the bottom. Now with the hair that's remaining hanging down, I'm just going to curl this and I've done 4 curls. And all I'm going to do is take those 2 centre curls and join them together with a clear elastic band. And I'm just going to pin this up into the bottom of the bun. And then with that left hand curl, I'm just going to slip a bobby pin on it and push it a couple of inches from the bottom. And then just repeat on the right hand side. Make sure you leave the ends tumbling out. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.